feeling for.
So what are you doing?
I'm cutting up some rounds.
Got an order for them?
Yes, I do.
Cool.
Order for 10. I just cut up some extras.
Oh, they got a nice little pattern in it right there.
Got the old still going.
I see that.
Still cuts like a horse.
All right, guys. He cut up some rounds. I just moved the spalted birch out of the way. Our mission tonight, nothing fancy, nothing great. We've got to get some 1x6s out of this pine log. That's it. Not much. But you know what? We got them sold. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to our channel, Two Brothers Outdoors. Looks like we're in the middle of the night right now, but we're not. It's only 5 o'clock, 5:30. Oh, look at Tim. Whoa. What are you doing there, Bo? I see you made one kind of sawdust.
Yep.
Now we're getting ready to make another kind of sawdust.
Yep. You betcha.
You are the sawdust. Okay.
He's screeching.
I got the log locked down, and sawdust is over there dusting off the mill. For crying out loud.
Ooh, what's that?
Got an owl off in the distance. Can you hear him? All right, little brother. I can only fill this video with so much stuff here. Get busy. I might add, it's the middle of January, I think. What's today's date?
Today's date?
15th? 16th?
17th?
17th?
No, 15th.
15th. Look at the snow. We got no snow. And it's raining. It's raining right now. Crazy weather, guys. I got it. This is where having those dogs move separately from the knees really works great. And remember, we talked about this before. Don't over tighten knees, because if you do, it bends the bar. Bends this bar because it's not heavy enough, and it makes the log crooked. This will stick out this way. Just want it just tight enough to hold its position. Okay, so I'm thinking he's probably going to take one more 4/4 off of this, one more inch. We will put this piece in the box along with that piece. This will make a great shelf because it's flat on one side and you're going to have live edge on the other. Everything's got a purpose, guys. Okay, he's going to go one more 4/4 from this side. Hopefully it'll get some of this big knot out of here. Not that it's going to hurt anything. This is just going to be trim for a door. Going to roll it over. Now it'll stand straight because we have two flat edges on it, so we won't need the dog to hold it tight on it. Makes things kind of slick. Didn't have much trouble rolling it over.
You want it like 6 1/4, right?
loaded it up. We're going to start ripping off 1x6s now. I'm going to put one dog in it because it sits kind of high, kind of top heavy, he said. He's afraid the blade will knock it over. Alright, so we're going to start cutting off 1x. Alright, one more 1x6 to go, and that'll complete that part of it. We're kind of experimenting here. The customer wants some thin stuff. Alright, this is going to be kind of tricky here. The customer wants some thin stuff. So we're going to try to use the true scale to come up with just about half-inch thick boards to trim. Always afraid he's going to hit that dog. It should be half-inch thick. Oh my God, Tim, you are really close. Yeah, you're on the money there. That's awesome. You could almost make shiplap out of that. And then we got 1-inch board left on the bottom.
That's easier to do than what we were trying to do.
Nice job there, boy.
For what?
I like it.
Okay, so we don't waste anything. Everything is worth something. So what we'll do with these is we'll cut the end of this off where it stops being square. We got two like that, and then we got one that's live edge on both sides. We'll cut it here. We'll probably cut it right here. And then this one we'll cut here, have a live edge piece here, two live edge pieces. This little thing right here, people like to paint pictures on them and put them out by their doors. But everything's worth money, so we don't waste anything at all. And these boards will go in the box, and I'll guarantee you sooner or later we'll sell them. These will be shelves right here. I know it as well as I'm looking at them. All right, guys, that's going to wrap it up for tonight. We appreciate you watching. Hit that thumbs up, notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed to our channel. Come on board. Let's be a subscriber. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Until the next one, catch you later.